Welcome back to 33 Hot Rod. I'm John Amber. I hope you're enjoying our videos. Make sure you like us, share us, and subscribe. So today we're going to install the trunk lid on the 33 Hot Rod. We've got the parts laid out. We're ready to go. Let's get started. Now, just like the doors, the trunk lid came quite a bit oversized. So the first step was to cut off the excessive material. Then we had to do a bunch of sanding until we had a pretty decent fit. After that, Joan installed the weather stripping. I'm not sure about that tool she's using, but it seemed to do the job. All right, we've got the trunk lid all trimmed out. It's sitting in the right position. Now the instructions tell us that we're supposed to go through the passenger's compartment and mark the inside of the trunk lid where the hinges are. So now we have the fuel tank in, we have the sheet metal in the trunk, so there's not really that big of a space for us to reach through to mark it. So it's going to be a real challenge to get in there and get it done. It's a long reach. We're going to be doing it blind, but we'll get it. Okay, well, we've got the inside of the trunk lid all marked. We're going to take it over to the bench. We're going to put the hardware on, and then we're going to bring it back and put it on the car. Next, we bolted the trunk lid to the hinges on the body. Then it was tweak, adjust, and adjust some more until we got everything into alignment. And the last thing we had to do was set the gap so that it's nice and even all the way around. And then that wraps it all up, except for one little problem. The bend in the trunk lid doesn't match the bend in the body of the car. I searched the internet for solutions, and there's some simple ones and some complicated ones. For now, we're going to try one of the simple ones. We're going to use a couple ratchet straps and see if we can't take a bit of the bend out of the lid so it matches the body. Keep coming back to find out what happens. Next, we'll be installing the rest of the sheet metal in the trunk and installing the trunk latch. Remember, if you're enjoying our videos, make sure you hit the like button, share us with your friends, and make sure you subscribe. Cheers.